Hello guys, welcome back to our channel VFX Beauty. I'm Mika, and today is a different type of video because I'm not doing a makeup look. I just want to show you these e.l.f. Seriously Satin lipsticks. I just got my hand on 9 out of the 8 shades for my birthday. And this is how they look like. Gosh, look at this. Look at this packaging. I mean, what caught my eye was the packaging, how everything is clear. I am a sucker for clear things. I love them. So I'm gonna be swatching them for you. I hope my lips resist this. I had never done a swatch video before, ever. So bear with me, I don't even know how to start. But I'll do my best. So the first shade that I'm trying out of all of them is called Cream. The first one I show you, which is pinkish type of nude. My lips are a little bit dry right now, so it shows even more, but they are not dry, you know. Let me zoom it out. Surprisingly, they are very creamy. They look kind of matte, almost matte, I would say, but they feel so nourishing. So the formula feels good, goes on smooth on the lips. I don't see any patchiness, which is a concern usually, especially with darker colors. When we get to the darker colors soon, let's try them for that. But I mean, I'm loving this. Okay, the second shade I'm gonna be trying is called NECTAR, and this is how NECTAR looks. This shade is gorgeous. Look at that. Okay, this shade is called CIDER, and it's one of the shades that I have most expectations for because in the website it looks awesome as it does in here. Let me try to focus this. Fourth shade I had to content is called Cocoa, and this is a brown shade. As the name implies, it's really beautiful. Okay, I didn't do it quite well because I honestly don't want to go in too much because I had to remove this to swatch the other ones. Oh gosh, still I have like 5 more to go. My lips are burning. But this shade looks really good. I like it. So next shade is called TAFFY. This looks good. I think you're gonna like this one. It's like a pink nude shade. You know, definitely has a lot of pink in there. This shade is sexy. I love it. I see how it looks on me. I don't know, out of all of the shades that I have tried so far, I haven't found one that I said I wouldn't use that one. I wouldn't wear that color because all of the colors are my colors. I mean, I have black lipstick and I love it too. So now there is no color that I wouldn't wear. I love them all. Next shade is called Pepper, and this is how Pepper looks like. I like you. Out of all of the shades that I have tried so far, none of these shades apply patchy or unevenly. None of them feel dry, and I just, till this point in the video, I can't believe I paid $3 for each. Like, okay, the next shade I have over here is called Raspberry. So, as a side note, there are 10 colors in this collection, 10 shades. Out of those 10 shades, only 2 you can only find them at e.l.f. Cosmetics website. Those 2 shades are Persimmon. You got me, right? And Raspberry. These 2 over here. Only on their website. I don't know why, but anyway, I got it on the website, and the shipping was extremely fast, you guys. Extremely fast. I ordered the same day. Hours later, I got the shipping notification, and 2 days later, 3 days later, they are here. So I am amazed at that. But okay, let's continue. Let me show you Raspberry. We are getting there. Hang in there. This is the next shade, the Persimmon. Okay, it's orange. Basically, it's a very bright, vivid, beautiful, creamy, fantastic orange. Look at that. This is nice. Okay, my lips can't take it no more. The last shade is called SUGARPLUM, and this is the shade that started all for me. Like, I saw this shade and I was like, oh my god, I'm not gonna shop anything anymore. But then I kept watching this shade, how gorgeous it is. This is my type of shade, you know, like I am into dark autumn like colors most of the times. I mean, I love all colors, but I do have my favorites. And yeah, this is another shade I have like high expectations for, because I just love the vibe into these shades. And this is how it looks on the arm, but let's see what it counts. I gotta show you this up close. I am happily impressed with this lipstick collection, to be honest, guys. This feels great. Okay, these are all the 9 shades. I said there were 10 and I'm testing 9 because there is a shade called Cherry that is like a true red color, but I'm on a budget as usual. I'm a broke girl and I didn't want to buy a shade that I already have. I already have other lipsticks in other brands that are true red. I have no complaints about these things. I hope they do make even more shades like this. It would be nice to have like a bright violet on this. Imagine this on purple. Oh gosh. Purple is a hard color to nail, but it would be amazing. What other colors would you like to see in a collection like this? I just can tell you it's $3. It has a beautiful packaging. I like it, me gusta mucho. Lo recomiendo. I recommend this. It's $3, guys. Like, gosh. And I even got a gift. So, anyways, those are the 9 shades that I wanted to have. I'm so happy I did, and I love every single shade in this collection, and I truly hope this hot in here. I truly hope this collection or this review, per se, is useful for you. So till the next video, I hope you stay safe, take care of yourself, and see you.